share the link on the respective WhatsApp groups of the students, or maybe through the Google Classroom where everyone is a part.
Yes, sir. I am sharing the link on the chat room also in this meet and also on WhatsApp. Kaustubh sir, can you confirm the status of live stream on YouTube?
Yes, it's streaming and 24 students have joined so far.
Okay.
Yes.
And I would request everyone who has joined through the previous link to please join through this latest link. That link is not working. Everyone on YouTube.
यूट्यूब का लिंक सभी क्लासेस पे पोस्ट नहीं हुआ है।
Shall we share the link on Meet link on YouTube, Utkarsh?
One viewers are joined on YouTube.
Costa, please confirm the status. I think 183 people have already joined through YouTube link, so we are good to go, right?
Yes, we are over 180 people. We can start now.
Sure.
Okay, so I'm turning on the camera. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. A very good afternoon to all those present here. I feel honored and exuberant to welcome the newest addition to our IET family, the freshmen, the batch of 2024. This day is more special than it seems so far, for until today, your story was largely written by others, that is, your parents, your guardians, families, teachers, and the likes. However, this moment forth, you are the principal author of your life's story. You get to decide the plot, the narration, the direction, and the genre of your story. Your decision at each step will send out a ripple in the fabric of your life and work towards constructing what your life will be at the end of these 4 beautiful years. So tread carefully. We are not big fans of horror or crime thrillers when it comes to our life stories. Now, are we? Because right now it's 2020. So I know your minds are storming with a million of questions right now. What are we? What is this place like? Is this all worth it? Who is this guy bickering continually? What is this all about? Sit back, relax. We will get you to those soon enough. For the entire point of this program is to get you acquainted with this place and its ways. I'm Utkarsh, General Secretary, Arts and Cultural, ISAC. And to kickstart the proceedings, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to a respected professor, Dr. O.P. Singh Sir, Chairperson, ISAC. Also, you all must know that Sir is also the Dean Student Welfare, that is a DSW, AKTU. And a respected Pragati Shukla Madam, a Faculty Advisor, Arts and Cultural, ISAC, and all the other dignitaries present. Welcome, Sir and Ma'am. And now, I would like to request respected Professor Dr. O.P. Singh sir to please bless this occasion with your kind words, and we should proceed with the beginnings. Sir, please welcome.
Thank you, Utkarsh. Hello, dear students. Very good afternoon to all of you present here. I, Dr. O.P. Singh, as Chairman ISAC, welcome you all in the Institute of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow. Especially, I am going to talk about extracurricular activities during the education of 4 years. As we know, extracurricular activities play an important role in overall personality development of the students, such as to learn new skills, boost academic performance, broader social skills, improve time management, team leadership, volunteering, student body positions, and so far there are many advantages of extracurricular activities. So, keeping these advantages of extracurricular activities, that is in this view, Institute of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow also provides wide opportunities for all-round development of the students. The institute has a separate council known as ISAC. ISAC means Instate Student Sports and Cultural Council, and facilitate students' enthusiastic participation in various extracurricular activities. ISAC facilitates the students to conduct the cultural, sports, technical, and literary fest of the institute, namely Encore, Suryotsav, and Parakram. Encore is the cultural fest wherein a large participation of other educational institutes of the state is seen. The fest includes stage events, stage musical night, choreography, dramatics, and so many events include in the INCORE. Similarly, Saryotsav. Saryotsav is the annual sports festival of our institute, and in this Saryotsav, always there is participation of very large number of students from the surrounding colleges, including IIMs, government colleges, and other major institutes. It comprises of various sports and games events, including athletics, badminton, basketball, carom, cricket, chess, football, kho and so a number of events are there in sports, as we know. Similarly, Prakram is the technical fest organized by IIT, which explores the innate talent of students. It is a platform to think, create, and exhibit innovative ideas. Prakram includes various stream-specific technical events, robotic events, and projects. In addition to the various fairs of the institute, several fairs of the university, that is AKTU, are also organized within the institute campus. So we are continuously organizing one or other state level events of the university, like cultural events of university, technical events of university in our campus from last few years, in which students of IT take participation in very large number. Similarly, the institute also encourages the students to take part in various prestigious cultural and sports competitions organized by IITs and IIMs. Every year, at least one team participated in fairs or events like technical, cultural, sports events organized by IIT Kanpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT BHU, and have won several medals. So the students always perform very well in IITs and uh, different other institutions. And also, if you have visited the campus, then there is a new stadium which is of international standard, amounting around 45 crores of cost, that is under construction, and which include grounds for various sports and a multi-purpose hall. And it is expected to be completed very soon, and you all may take advantage of this facility in coming months. After, I think after 4 or 5 months, this stadium will be ready. Similarly, in the institute, there are different societies and clubs like Excelsiors, Swaranjali, Insanex, Josh, Parmarth, Kalakriti, Mirage. So there are so many clubs in the institute, which are some department specific, and some of them are at the institute level. So this is all about the activities of ISAC, and I hope all of you will take advantage of different facilities of the institute and participate in extracurricular activities, which will certainly be helpful in your overall development. Thanks to all. Utkarsh, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom and motivating us as always and gracing this occasion with your benign presence. Undoubtedly, 2020 has been a year of lot of firsts. This pandemic has shifted the normal of our daily routine. Let's add another point to that list of not so normal by commencing the club introduction program for the batch of 2024 online. The working of things is going to be a lot different, but that doesn't mean there will be a cut down on learning or the fun. So let's get started. Thank you, and over to you, Shivam.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, all of you must be thinking that people here are talking about something called Isaac. So, what is it? Like, it's just a strange name, or is it something productive, or or whatever? What is it actually? I, Shivam Chawla, EC third year, am here to represent Isaac on behalf of all the faculties and students part of Isaac. As Dr. OP Singh sir mentioned, ISAC is Instic Student Sports and Cultural Council. Such a big and fancy name, isn't it? And this is the governing body of the college under which all the societies and clubs work together. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. So, we all of us at ISAC believe in working together, and all of us believe that once you get into a team and you are a team player, you can take it to the ultimatum. And here, sky is not the limit. So I present before you a small PPT that is for the club Isaac. Researchers have proved that students' involvement in various activities on campus leaves an indelible imprint on both their learning and development. Also, as Dr. OP sir mentioned, that taking part in extracurricular activities, namely technical, cultural, or sports, leave a very good impact on your lifestyle as well as on your resume. So, I think that when you come into college, so the academics is not the only thing you are into. You must also be taking part in various activities that are organized by Isaac and the different clubs. Isaac is the governing body of college and it is funded by the institute. So we plan and organize the events for the entire students of a college, including first year to the final year. So there's a particular amount that is allotted to Isaac for the different activities, and not only cultural fests and all. We organize technical workshops. We have technical competitions. Then we have visits that are related to the site visits, such as, for example, ISRO visit for the electronic students and BHEL visits for electrical students. Isaac provides a wide range of diverse activities to meet the needs and tastes of all students. So here we have the name of the clubs that are working under Isaac, and Isaac provides a wide range of diverse activities. So we have the name of clubs here. The inter-institute activities that are organized in the college are the Sports Fest Shauryotsav, the Technical Literary Management Fest Parakram, the Arts and Cultural Fest Encore for the that is organized under the name of IIT Lucknow, and Prava, that is the annual Arts and Cultural Fest of AKTU, wherein 592 colleges participate, and all the activities and the events and the competitions are held at the campus of our college. The inter-institute activities that are also funded by ISAC include the Sports Fest and Cultural Fest of IIT Kanpur, namely Udghosh and Antragni, the Sports Fest of IIT BHU, Sparta, then the Zonal Fest of AKTU. Then always organize different trips to different competitions, including IIT Roorkee. Then I am Indore, I am Lucknow. That is Manfest Varchasva. So here is a very long list that you'll be getting into once you get into the clubs and you know what is it. Thank you. Now I would like to welcome on the Indian Music Club of our college, that is Swaranjali. Over to you, Kshitij.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome and congratulate all the newly admitted students. I know 2020 is a real hard nut to crack, but I'm sure there's one thing that have made it bearable. It's music. Can you imagine what your life would look like without music? In fact, to all of us, music is a central element of life. So, with the same love for music, I, Ashika, and my teammates, Priya and Kshitij, would like to take the liberty of introducing the official music club of IET Suranjli. Suranjli is the official Indian music club of IET Lucknow. Was established in 1990s. It is one of the oldest club of our college and is actively involved in learning Indian music. Now, when I say Indian music, I must make it very clear that the club deals with different styles such as Bollywood, classical, folk music, semi classical, etc. Club encourages maximum exposure to all its members through active participation in events. Every year, we look forward to learn and explore various genres and hold practice sessions to encourage self improvement. Next slide, please. As you can see, this is a happy picture of our family, Suranjali. Handing over to Sutit.
Hello everyone, this is Kshitij Shukla taking over. I'll be elucidating what all we as members of Team Suranjali are indulged into and what keeps us enduring. To begin with, as most of you might be aware, that we are an alliance which thrives upon music. Therefore, we at Suranjali organize intermittent jamming sessions and meets in order to instill zeal and enthusiasm in the team members. These interactive sessions, however, also serve the purpose of melting down the ice between the junior and the senior divisions. Being the official Indian Music Club of IIT Lucknow, the college authorities, in collaboration with our team coordinators, organize a whole lot of events throughout the year, of which Encore, Prava, and Convergence are paramount. Besides these intra college events, we even explore and participate in some of the distinguished events of several top notch institutes of India, like THOMSO, organized by IIT Roorkee, Antaragni by IIT Kanpur, and many others that might be visible to you on your screen. With this said, guys, I now would like to hand it over to Yashika.
Now, let me throw some light on past achievement of our team. Runner-ups of AKTU Fest Prabha 2K18, winner of solo singing competition in IIT Roorkee Culture Fest Tomso 2017, secured position in solo singing competition of IIM Lucknow, runner-up in NIT Patna, runner-up in MNIT Allahabad, and the list goes on, as you can see in the presentation. The club is the amalgamation of very talented young singers. Next slide, please. You can connect to us through our Instagram page, which is recently made in 2020 with the username IET Swaranjali. I'll suggest you all to do visit our page and enjoy the exotic performances of our team members. Two of our club members, namely Jyoti Dhwanikar and Swarnima, have their own YouTube channels. Do visit their channel and watch their amazing performances. We too have our Facebook page. Visit our page and get an idea of what you are going to be part of in the near future. Next slide, please.
Can we go to the previous slide, please? Till now, whatever info has been given to you was verbal, but now it's time to hop into some visuals and insights of our club. Beginning with the first photograph towards the left, this picture dates back to the time when we had an amazing yet the most memorable trip of our lives. That is, it depicts our team's trip to Thomso 19, organized by IIT Roorkee. Now, towards the right is Team Suranjali performing at Convergence 2019, which is the annual alumni meet of IIT Lucknow. Coming to the next slide, towards the left is Team Suranjali at the AKTU Zonals 2019, proctored by Maharana Pratap Group of Institutions, Kanpur, a constituent college of AKTU. Furthermore, towards the right is again Team Suranjali, of course, performing outstandingly at Prava 2020, organized by Institute of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow itself.
So on the left of the slide, we have our team member, Jyoti Dhwanikar, who became the runner-up of the Maruti Suzuki Colors of Youth Season 7 with her spectacular voice. And on the right, we have Team Suranjali, who grabbed second position in Index 17 of IIM Lucknow with her splendid voice. Next slide, please. Here are some more miscellaneous photographs of our team members participating in different events. Next slide.
After listening and witnessing what Club Suranjali is all about and what all we do here as members, we believe that you should have not one, not two, but a couple of reasons to at least think twice about becoming member of our group and joining us. Some of them being, as a member of the singing club of IIT, you can pursue your passion of singing with sincerity through proper guidance and support from seniors. And just in case you're not passionate enough for singing, don't hesitate and give it a go at least. We'll get it covered for you. Through different trips with your team members, you will create some of the best memories of your college life. And trust me on this, because you actually will. No matter how introvert you are. Finally, amidst all these, you'll become a better version of yourself. Thank you so much.
So now the question arises, how can you become the part of our Suranjali family? So we have a proper selection procedure, which includes an audition consisting of 2 rounds, and whoever qualifies both the rounds becomes a part of our family. Well, you might think that is a complicated process, but no, it is not. Even if you have the slightest knowledge of music or you're a bathroom singer, you can give it a shot and become the part of our team and enjoy its privileges. Next slide, please.
Here is a glimpse of what we are into. Can we please play the video?
So, at last, I just want to say music is the strongest form of magic. So, to embrace this magic, I would encourage you all to participate enthusiastically in collaborative events of Team Suranjali. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Team Swaranjali. And I hope that every one of you must be dancing on the beats of the music that was played. I am still into that melody of soothing ears. Now we just had the Indian Music Club of a college. So what about the English songs? What about Counting Stars or The Weekend or Linkin Park? Now, next upon, we have our Western Music Club of the college with their rocking and shocking performances, the Auroras.
Thank you for the introduction. Hello there, everyone. Welcome to IIT family. This is Akanksha Verma from C third year, along with Nitin Srivastava from IT third year. We are here to brief you about the Western Singing Club of IIT, presenting the Auroras. The induction program may have been quite different this year, but we'd ensure you to provide the gist in every aspect. So let's roll in. This was founded in 2011 when the realization hit our alumni that a subtle genre of music had been missing from the college. At the Auroras, we cover from extreme Metallica to soothing Coldplay. Our club has gained several recognitions in various other colleges for the thrilling live band performances, mesmerizing solo vocals, imbibing self composed rap songs, and heart crushing beatboxing. We cover rock music, English pop music, rap music, beatboxing, and the list goes on. Handing over to Nitin.
In the next slide, we have activities and events. So, the most important activities are we have weekly jamming sessions for our members, which are the great source of refreshment to start your upcoming weekend on high Josh. And these sessions often lead to some more original compositions as well. Also, we organize multiple events throughout the year to maintain a competitive spirit and provide a platform to our members to showcase their talents. Some of our events are Expressivo, Battle of Bands, Grazioso. So now we move to the next slide. Here are some of our achievements. So our member Jyoti Singh won the first prize of Thomso 2016 in solo singing. The rock band Nemesis came first in Band Wars of BBD's Cultural Fest 2019. The rock band Nemesis won the first prize at Encore 2019. And the list goes on. You will be knowing more of our achievement when you become a member. So we move to the next slide, please. So here we have some of our projects. The most important project is a band Nemesis, which has been bringing laurels to our college since 2011. Nemesis had earned the respect from our bands and have continuously brought laurels to our college. The band has recorded its videos, which are available on YouTube and Facebook as well. Its official YouTube channel is Nemesis the Band. Our next project is the IT Auroras.
Okay, so
Our club has an Instagram handle naming IT Auroras, and some of our members have our YouTube channels as well. So you can check them out. So we move to the next slide.
here are some of the glimpses of our performance that took place in Thompson 19 of IIT Roorkee Battle of Bands. Next to it is our club performance of Convergence, which was held in our college itself. Next slide, please. Next, we have Nemesis Band at Prava 20, Kanpur Zonals gaining laurels at Maharana Pratap Engineering College. Along with it is the Nemesis Band performing at Prava 20 in the college. Next slide. Now let's take a peek at the gathering where we were just having fun and making memories. Next to it is some of our individual photographs, which while live performances at various events. Okay, next slide, please. Now, the club seems fine, but in the end of the day, what do you get? First is the most valuable quality that we develop is teamwork and understanding is important, since a band requires pretty good coordination and mutual understanding. Second is there is a lot of exposure for you to grow. Some of our members have YouTube channels and have participated in reality shows. So you are always welcome to seek help to have a professional channel, record professional level songs and videos. The passion for music is all you require, and with some help and practice, you will be better at your skill. Participating and competing in other colleges is quite a real deal when representing your college. Doing this inculcate a lot of confidence and lessen the stage fright. Apart from performances, we also get to have a trip with our mates, the memories we are going to carry throughout our lives. Besides music, we get to have a direct interaction with our seniors who are there to guide us with our careers as well, be it NSENS, GATE, CAT, civil services, on and off campus placements, etc. And of course, there'll be lots of parties from our seniors.
So here is a selection procedure and the criteria. We always try to keep it minimal. So at Auroras, we conduct auditions every year to welcome our new members. So if you are an instrumentalist or if you are a vocalist who have done some bathroom shows, and if you are a rapper or a beatboxer, we you are always welcome. And from this year onwards, we will be looking for mix mastering and video editing as well, because we have some projects like YouTube channels and our Instagram page where we release some of our original compositions. So we need that also. So we will be looking forward to it. So next slide, please. So it's time for some live action. So can we have some visuals?
से आगे भाग रहा जाग रहा रात में लड़की के गम तू बांट रहा पर घर वालों का फोन बेटा 1 मिनट में तू काट रहा
Can we move to next slide, please?
So this was from our side. So let's move on to the conclusion. Over to Akansha.
Okay, there have been quite technical glitches, but let's move on. So, if our club felt like your vibe, we invite you to give a hit at Espressivo. That is the audition for Auroras. And you can explore more of our content through Instagram or FB pages. And if you find it worthwhile, appreciate it by giving it a thumbs up. Thank you for your time and good luck.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Team Auroras, for your rocking introduction. And we had a great time listening to you all. So, now I'd like to ask every one of you who's among you who have the guts to go on in a wedding function or any family function and just groove on the Nagin tune. I think you must all be getting the hint I'm moving on to. So Ranjali and Auroras have set up the music. So now what? It's time to dance. So let's welcome the dance club of IIT Lucknow, that is Team Insaniacs.
Thank you, Shiva. Okay, the presentation, please. Okay, so when it comes to listing the cultural activities of a college, the one that pops up on the top of your head is what? It's dancing. So here I am, Bhavya Sharma from BTech IT third year, along with my teammate Shweta Pandey from BTech IT third year, representing the dance club of our college, Insaniacs. So, you know who are dancers? All those who can move to a piece of music are basically dancers. According to me, there is no better technique than dance in this whole world to express. With a zeal and the idea of never miss a chance to dance, the dance club of our college ensures that all those talents are not gone to waste. We try to equip you with the best possible teaching resources and training methods so that you are able to shape up your skill throughout the days of your college or even beyond if you are interested. This club here is present to boost up the morale of the students and to highlight the talents of dance and creativity. It provides a great opportunity to the dance lovers to prove their talent, and it is a good platform for them to have their artistic exploration. So, how we actually do this? We try to create a very vibrant and energetic environment for all those who are ready to go mad with their shaking feet. Next slide, please. So, let me tell you, moving forward, let me tell you the activities or the events that we participate in. See, we generally participate for group dance or duet dances in the Western category of dances in various cultural fests. But this time in Prava 19, we have performed a semi classical and a folk dance. So, um, the Western dances, we perform Western group dances in various cultural fests of various colleges. The top of which is a cultural fest of MNIT Allahabad, which usually used to take place around March, and followed by the cultural fest of IIT Roorkee, that is Thomso, the cultural fest of IIT Kanpur, Antaragani, and finally the cultural fest of IIM Lucknow. This is about the cultural fest of the other colleges. Apart from that, we participate in AKTU state level cultural fest, that is Prava. All the colleges that are affiliated with AKTU University fight in this cultural fest. Talking about the cultural fest of our own colleges, the cultural fest of IIT Lucknow Encore, we do perform in that, and in the alumni meet, that is Convergence of our college. Next slide. Yeah. So, since I've already told you that we have been participating in multicultural fest of various colleges, and we did perform outstanding in some of them. The top of which is MNIT Allahabad Culrup 2018 in group dance, AKTU Zonals 2018, the Cultural Fest of Lucknow University in 2020 only, IIT Lucknow's Encore 2019, followed by AKTU Zonals 19, and IILM Lucknow 2020, where we did secure second position. And lastly, in AKTU State Level Fest Prava 2018, and we participated in IIT Roorkee's Fest and IIM Lucknow's Fest. Okay, next please. So here are some glimpses or the photographs of our team on basically the stages where we participate, where we performed. So at the topmost, at the top left one is of Encore 2019. It was basically our first performance of the 2019 batch, with and followed by is the pictures, two pictures of Color of 2018, the MN90 Allahabad Fest, and lastly the group performance on IILM Lucknow. So you can see we have a lot of fun. Now coming to the selection procedure and the criteria. Let's talk about the eligibility of students for the audition of this club. I will have to say there is none. Yeah, that's right. The auditions are open to all. Whether you are a trained dancer or, as Shivam told you, you are the one who just dance on wedding ceremonies, you are more than welcome to our club. All you need to have is a sense of beat and, of course, a zeal to learn. So the auditions are bifurcated into two rounds. The first one includes a performance of your choice, followed by a second round. And if you clear both the rounds, we'll be more than happy to welcome you to our family. Moving on. Next slide. Yeah. So, lastly, what's in it for you? The dance club, or in general, all the cultural clubs of our college, has a lot more to offer. Like the dance club has a lot more to offer just making you learn the dance routines. You will get a chance to groom your overall personality. We'll be performing in various stages, so you can say bye bye to your stage fright. And you all will learn to work in a team and will learn to have good time management skills. And lastly, as a team, there are going to be a lot of exciting trips. So, in a nutshell, Uh, I expect to see you all in the auditions whenever there'll be a schedule, and we'll be happy to welcome you to our family. Lastly, so be ready with your shoes and tie your laces tightly. Thank you.
I bet you all must be longing to just clap on that performance and groove along with them. So that was our dance club in Saniacs. Now, the next club for all the dramabas out there. So I think you all must be complimented by your parents, especially for being dramabas. So we have the next club, the Dramatic Society of IET Lucknow, IET Josh.
Hello guys, can we have the PPT please? So this is Vishal Sharma along with Himani Jais, representing the Dramatics Club of our institute, IET Josh. So let's play a video so we can have a glimpse of our performance. Can we have the video please, Shivam?
Yes, sure. Just a second.
Okay, I'm waiting.
अरे
Okay, so this is a very short part of a Nukkad Natak called Awaz by 2019 batch on the stage of IIT Roorkee. Can we have the next video, please? Okay. Okay, so we just saw the first performance of 2022 batch on the stage of Onco, our cultural fest. I just want you to have a look at the size of audience which you will get. It's a very exhilarating feeling to have such a great audience, to all the hootings, the support, getting response from that. The vibes is just wow. So moving forward, can we have third slide, please? Okay, thank you, Shiva. As the introduction, our team officially gets established in the year 2004. Unique thing about us is our working includes wide variety like writing, choreographer, fitness, music, acting, prop designing, and there's a lot of work. And the most important thing is this work is done by students only. So of course, our institute help us on various grounds like getting proper exposure for our team, providing necessary funds, providing necessary instruments, and a lot more. Basically, it's a teamwork which includes lots of hard work, lots of dedication. One thing which I want to include is in this club, you are going to learn something out of your genre, something which is not that accessible to you. So coming back to our presentation part, can we have next slide, please? Okay, so the question is what we do. So the first thing which I want to talk about is Nukkad Natak, also called as street play. So basically, it is a pre-planned drama performed on the streets to create social awareness. The topic can be of anything. For example, recently we have done the Nukkad on Nukkad called Doordarshan. It's basically about the people who doesn't take part actively in the media part of our country. So there are a lot more elements to it. For example, you have to cover the best thing about Nukkad Natak is that you have to cover whole 360-degree. There is audience everywhere. They are shouting. You have to keep them engaged. There is a lot of things which you have to manage. You have to improvise according to the situation, according to the audience, according to the response of the audience. So you have to cover all stage, and there's a lot more technicalities. Not getting into it, we will cover it later. We will make you familiarize with them. Don't worry. So next thing which I want to talk about is mime. So mime is basically a theatrical technique of expressing an idea or mood or portraying a character entirely by gestures and bodily movement without use of any words, any props. You can't use anything. For example, I just want to mention that once a team have to show a bathing shower, and they have their hands only to show that. So actually, it needs a lot of creativity to use that hand gestures and showing beautifully what you got, and that thing actually attract points. So again, now there are a lot more technicalities. We will get into it. Don't worry. Next thing which I want to talk about is skit and stage play. So basically, it is a work of drama performed on stage. Now, the main difference between skit and stage play is that skit is lot more shorter in time than stage play. For example, a stage play can last up to few days, many weeks. For example, the Ramayana, which we used to see in our villages, that is basically a stage play. It can last for days, and skit is generally precise and small. Okay, so coming to our next slide. Next slide, please. Okay, previous okay, so this is the reference picture for mime. You can see in the picture one, the mime one, in Encore 2017 they are using their hand gestures and their facial expressions only to show their idea to the audience. Now the second one is the reference picture of stage play. Okay, next slide, please. Coming to activities and event. So we do a lot of activity. For example, we represent our team on various inter-college fests, like such as Antarangini. It is IIT Kanpur's cultural fest. Thomso, IIT Roorkee's cultural fest. I am Indore. I am Lucknow. Basically, there is going to be a lot of exposure for you. There is going to be a lot of trips for you. So don't worry, hold tight. Yeah, one thing which I want to mention is nowadays we are expanding our ambit in this time, in this unfortunate or fortunate, as you want to say, the times of global pandemic. We are now expanding our scope to on YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms also. So we are also looking forward to it. Okay, basically, we create a healthy environment to learn, to grow. We create a family as a work, as we team, we work as a team. We face challenges. Sometimes we get down also, but we stand up harder. It's a whole new experience waiting for you. So, next slide, please. Okay, achievements. So now I just want to pass the session to my friend Himani Jayas. Okay, Himani.
Uh, yeah. Now let's move to the sum of the achievements of our team. So first and foremost, we have conquered the stage of Manfest for Chasvir, that is Cultural Fest of I Am Lucknow in Nukkad Natak from the past 10 years. We have also won the Cultural Fest of IIT Roorkee Thomso in year 2K16 and 17 and Best Content at the same in 19. We were runner-up in Antaragni Cultural Fest of IIT Kanpur and Atharv Cultural Fest of IIM Indore. We have also won the zonals of AKTU, IIT Roorkee and IIIT Allahabad. And still there is a long list. Can we have the next slide, please? So here are the team photos while we were performing in the fest. Like in the left side of this, you have a picture of our seniors performing at Encore 19, and next to it is our team at Convergence 19. Next slide, please. Here we are performing mime at Encore 16 in the left side, and to the right side, there is a team photo of us at IIT Roorkee Thomso 19. Next slide, please. So in this picture, our senior are performing skit in Encore 17, and next to it, our seniors are performing Nukkad Natak in 2018. Next slide, please. So after all this description, you must be wondering what's in there for you. So let me tell you, while performing at various places and platforms, you will address people from different gender, profession, and culture. So this will eventually boost up your confidence and help you with the interpersonal skills. And this will gonna help you in interviews as well. Secondly, by being a part of this team, you will also learn the teamwork, like from practicing to performing with your teammates. There will be a number of things that you will do together. And this will form an unbreakable bond between you and the team, irrespective of the different views and perceptions. Another thing that you will come across while writing your scripts that were, all written is discussing and researching the topics, and this will definitely add up to your knowledge. And by managing academics and extracurricular together, you will also learn to use time effectively. Last but not the least are lots and lots of parties, trips, and memories. Next slide, please. Now we come to the point, how can you be a part of IIT Josh? Our selection procedure consists of 2 rounds. In first round, you have to portray your talent through a short act of 2 2 to 3 minutes, which can be solo, duo, group performance, irrespective of the genre. Like it can be acting, mimicry, singing, playing an instrument, or anything that you would like to do. And don't think you have to excel any of these skills. Just a little is enough for us. After the second round, candidates will be appeared in round two. In second round, we will provide you with an on-the-spot situation which you have to act upon. Basically, this round is for observing your confidence, expressions, gestures, and voice modulations. And last but not the least, for the people who love writing and scribbling words in their notebooks, this time we are also looking for people who are interested in writing songs and poetry both. Can we have the next slide, please? Here are the social media platforms on which we are active right now. The first is our YouTube channel, that is Josh Drama Club. Go ahead, like and subscribe it and see what we are really doing. Then below it are our FB page, IIT Josh, and Instagram handle @IIT Josh. Do visit, like, and follow our pages. Can we have the next slide, please? So we would like to wrap up this session with a small snippet of Seven Ages of Men by William Shakespeare. So it goes like, all the world is a stage, and all the men and women merrily players. They have their exits and entrances, and one man in his lifetime plays many parts, his acts being 7 ages. Thank you, and best of luck.
Thank you, guys, and hoping to see you further. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Himani. There's an announcement for the first year students. A link has been posted in the YouTube chat section, and everyone is required to fill the form that is attached with the link. That is the attendance form. Now, I would like to call Utkarsh sir, third year, to conclude the session.
Wow, what a great day it was. Just sitting at home and rejuvenating yourself with the performance of your seniors. Even if it was just the videos. And remember, what you saw was just the beginning of your beautiful journey called college. And Kaustubh, can we take a few questions from YouTube if we can answer them? And if the students have any doubts or if they have any curiosity about how the clubs work and all before we wrap up this session?
Yes, we can take the few questions. First question is, can we join multiple clubs?
Okay, so I say this, guys posting this frequently. Yes, you can join as many clubs you want, but the basic fundamental is that you need to give time to all of these clubs, and you need to be dedicated enough to be a part of the club. It's not like uh, a jack of all trades and master of none. You don't need to, and then we don't welcome people like that. So you need to excel at things, and you are very welcome to join any of the clubs. And also, we'll be conducting the auditions soon. We'll check if we'll be doing it online or offline. That is the other thing. But yeah, and I will encourage each and every one of you to go on and give auditions for the as many clubs as possible. Yeah. Any other questions?
Do we have any club or society for entrepreneurship enthusiasts in IIT Lucknow?
Oh, yeah, many different societies are there which inculcate the habit for becoming the budding entrepreneurs and all. It is called the ESL IT Lucknow. Go on and check the Instagram page or the Facebook pages, and you'll find a lot of stuff there. Also, I would request everyone to go on and like the Facebook, Instagram handles of all these clubs that you saw today. And I can see from the chats that most of you are eagerly waiting and quite excited about joining the clubs.
Also, I would like to add a point to this question that is there anything for the entrepreneurship this enthusiast? So when we organize different events and fests, we have to manage many things such as the finance and the operations and everything. So you get a hands-on experience for entrepreneurship.
Okay, next question is, excuse me, just a sec. When will be the auditions held, and what is the procedure to join a club?
Okay, so as I told you earlier too, that the auditions will be organizing the audition no sooner the colleges go offline, and we'll see if we can conduct the auditions for the few of the clubs online too, like there is the literary club and all, and the technical clubs. We'll keep you posted for everything, and you don't need to worry about the auditions and all. It would be broadcasted highly. So yeah.
Okay, there's one more question, that can you get another chance for audition if you fail once?
See, we don't have any kind of policies like that. But yeah, if you are missing any auditions due to some circumstances that are unavoidable, then you'll get 100% another opportunity to be a part of the club. And moreover, if you are dedicated enough, you are determined to be a part of the club, uh, nothing can stop you. So yeah.
Everyone asking about the different technical clubs, the coding club, the robotics club. Everything will be briefed on day 3, that is 14th December, day after tomorrow. So wait for that, and you'll be getting every information for that. Even the sports clubs, all the sports and games will be briefed on the same day.
So yeah,
I
I would like to take over. Okay, so I'll brief you about the days, coming. That is tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll be getting the glimpse of a few other clubs. That is for the photography enthusiasts, for the budding Picassos, and for the literary enthusiasts who go on correcting the others. We usually call them the grammar Nazis. So be patient and keep patience, and we'll keep you posted. We'll having the presentations for the technical clubs on day after tomorrow. So you don't need to think more of that, and we'll be handling everything for you.
I suppose there are no further questions. We are good to wrap up.
Okay, so now I would like to thank the respected faculties who took their precious time and blessed this occasion. And I feel very proud to say that the faculties were throughout the sessions, and it really motivates us. And it would be great for all the students and the budding engineers. Also, I want to ensure that academic is our first priority. These are our side gigs. Okay, so now, dear budding engineers, remember one thing: engineers don't become just engineers after they finish their 4 years. We become everything. So just remember this line, and remember to stay indoors and wear masks. So we are good to go. And on behalf of my team, thank you all for joining, and wish you a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining in, and we hope to see all of you on the day 2 and day 3, that is tomorrow and day after tomorrow, wherein the next clubs will be introduced, including the technical, literary, and sports.
Shivam, please stop the stream.